Hi there, everyone. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing good. I'm doing fantastic as usual. Today, I'm gonna tell you a story about English journey, my English journey. I mean, how did I learn English? I will share you that story, okay? I know you all are very interested to know about me and about my English speaking skill. How did I improve it? And okay, I will tell you about the whole journey. And you can see the river behind me. Actually, this is the river goes near to my hostel, and it's very beautiful river. And people, come and take a walk and gossiping with neighbors and friends. And at right now it's 5 o'clock. mm, 5 o'clock, I mean afternoon, so I just wanted to take a walk and wanted to show you around how does it look and the environment and everything. It's very nice place where I'm staying. Okay, let's come back to the point. I just wanted to share with you the story of my English journey. Okay, I started my started English. I started learning English during COVID-19 pandemic, when my campus was off and most of the time a day I stay at home. I was just laying down on my bed doing nothing, just wasting my time. Then my dad told me that, why are you wasting your time? Why don't you use your time? You should learn English, or you should do something productive for which is good for your career. Then I told my dad, what should I do and how do I start to learn English? Then my dad gave his a book. That the book name was A Passage to the English Language. That is one of the best English grammar book for for beginners who wanna develop their English and who wanna develop their grammatical rules or problem, any kind of grammatical problems. They can solve it through reading this book. So I would say that this book is one of the best book for beginners. And then I took that book from my dad, and I started reading that book from the beginning to the end of that book, and I solved all my grammatical problems. And I tried to memorize all the rules of English grammar and the sentence and tense, everything. I just try to remember and memorize all these things. And I tried hard, and it took me around 2 to 3 months you know um, to be fluent in English. And I practiced a lot. And first of all, I was looking for friends or anyone. I just wanted to talk to others in English, so that I can improve my English speaking skill and also listening skill, because that is very important. If anyone want to develop their English speaking skill or listening skill, for speaking skill they have to speak more. For listening skill, you have to listen to any podcast or English movies or anything in English, and that will help you a lot to develop your listening skill and speaking skill. And that's what I did. I tried hard, and it took me 3 months. As I have already told you that it takes a long time to develop my skills. And for this, I was looking for friends on Facebook, or looking for any kind of online application or apps available for speaking, for developing English speaking skill and listening skill. And luckily I found one application that was English Call, but that app was not good for me, because I was staying at my home. It was countryside, that's why the internet connection was not good at all, and I couldn't practice well And then I thought, okay, it's my brother, then I can talk to him and practice a little bit more. But whenever I started talking to my brother in English, then he got bored, and he told me, okay, brother, don't talk to me in English. I couldn't understand and I get bored. So he got irritated with my, speaking, with my speaking in English. So I just quit it, and again I started looking for friends on Facebook, and luckily I found one person who was from America, and luckily he was an English teacher also, and I started talking to him, and I improved my speaking skill. But at the beginning I was very scared, but I'm okay now.